Okay, welcome back to the third video on the splash page training. By now you should have been able to put in your YouTube video URL and your autoresponder code. Now we want to go ahead and maybe change a couple of these pictures. So the first one we want is the header 1 picture. So all you do, here's your header 1 picture. You just hit change picture. And then you've got different categories. So you can actually come here. You can go to header 1, 2, 3, 4. There's all kind of headers. There's birds, scenery, 3D mail characters. We'll just choose header 2. Again, I'm not going to go through every one of these headers because it takes too long, but you'll have to kind of play around and see which one that you like. So let's say you like this one. So all you do is you click that, and you simply come down here and you do update picture. Picture was successfully updated. I scroll back down and I go back to edit page. Now I have to update this as I remembered before. So you want to come down and hit update settings. This is if you actually left this page, you could lose that header. So I updated my settings. Now as I come down here, see my video is starting to take shape a little bit now. I can view my splash page. For me, that header is just a little bit big, but it'll certainly work. And then, so now we can come down here and start to put in some of our text if we want. So this is my headline text, which is if you come up here and you're not sure, it'll tell you right here, headline text goes right here.
Hello and welcome. My name is Gerald Skinner, and I am the creator of the Power System. Now, if you haven't made
Let me just stop this real quick. I hate that. Sorry about that. Let me just drop that down a little bit. There we go. All right. Okay. So as you can see, the video is starting to take, the capture page is starting to take effect now. Let me just hit update settings again. All right, there we go. And you'll notice the my autoresponder code is built in. Every time you refresh it, your video will replay again. And you'll notice my code is in there, and you can see where probably I don't have the right coloring for the text. I do want to probably change that button a little bit. But now we can start putting in our text. So our headline text right here is going to go right there. So and you're going to have to, either look at my capture page and get some ideas, but you could just put all in one profit training, or you could put remember, you have access to all my training modules, which you can then pass on to people in your downline. So as somebody comes into the business, you're going to give them the same training that you're now going through as well. So, and I can just hit update settings. And if I come down here, I should start to see how you'll notice it's kind of here to the right. And that's kind of why I didn't like that particular template. I think I'm going to change it. Let's just go with maybe this one. Probably a little better. And we'll update picture. And then we'll come back, go back to edit page. And then we'll update settings. Don't forget to update your settings. And then we'll just come back down here. Whoops. And that looks a little better. So, we could probably want to maybe bold that a little bit or make it bigger. So we can come over here, and this is a complete what you see is what you get. So you can bold it. I can change my font size. I can change my family, whatever I want to do. And then I just hit update settings. Again, your text information should be relevant to what your video is talking about. All right, so now you can start to see it's starting to take shape now. So then I can come down here. So I've added my top picture, and I can add more text. I've got headline text 2, which goes, there's the headline text 2 right there. But I can also put stuff underneath my main headline. I can come down here and just put you might want to make that just a little bit smaller, maybe in the 12s. And then we'll just hit update settings. Now you can start to see how that just popped in there. Now we want to add some header probably underneath the video. I would recommend it. It's just PowerPoints. You don't have to, but to do that, this is the header 2 picture, which is right here. This picture down here at the bottom. So I can come down here, whoops, to my header 2 picture. I'm going to change the picture. And I'll just pick something here I think I like. And we'll choose that one. I'll go update picture. Go back to edit page. And then update settings. And then now you can see how I've got that header down here at the bottom. So these are designed, the list lines are right here. Whoops. This is your list points. I do find that if you list them separately, you could put like uh, excellent training, outstanding support, and then you hit update settings, and then if we come back down here, see how they're right in there now. Excellent training, outstanding support, and it just lists them as PowerPoints, highlight points that you're wanting to address. You can also, again, the same thing. You can change it however you want. You can add, if you want to come over here and add a little smiley face on there, you could add that in front of it. Maybe some of the money there. And we'll just hit update settings. And I see how I put that little smiley face in front of that. I think you can also change the list picture. So if I put, this will be in front of each one. So if I hit change picture, I can put, let's say I want that one. I'll just update picture. Go back to edit page. Update settings. And those should show up on there on the bottom. Yeah, see how it came in front of it? So, which is kind of neat. You can put those right in front of each one of those, which is pretty cool. So now I can just view my splash page. And you can start to see, I mean, it's not exactly what I want, but it's coming together pretty good. This is a nice little capture page at this point. So you can see it's really pretty easy to do. You can also add a picture if you wanted to put a picture down here somewhere. What you do is you just click here and you go right to there where it says insert edit image. However, it has to be in a URL. You can't have your picture simply saved on your computer. I've got some of my pictures on my own website that has created a URL. So that's where I'm able to go. You'll notice my capture page has my picture on it. That's how I embedded my picture in there. So you can do that as well for if you want to do that. So this basically that's pretty much it in a nutshell. That'll wrap up this on the training. Again, you'll have to play around with it a little bit, get it just the way you want it. If you have any questions, be sure and email me or give me a phone call. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions or, help you get into your account and make any changes that you so desire. So that'll pretty much wrap it up on this last training video on how to build a capture page. Now remember, if you do the picture one, um, you're going to have right in here, instead of a YouTube video, it'll just show. Let's see if I can go back to that. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete that page. Um, when we chose that other template, which was the picture one, when I choose that, update template, we're going to go back to edit page. And here, this is the main, this is header picture one, which is right, this is the top. This right here, you'll notice area one picture. So if you come down here, there's area one picture. You can click change picture. And these are uploaded pictures that I've uploaded. So you can actually, um, you can choose something else or your uploaded pictures. So all you can do is simply, when you're in this screen, you do your uploaded pictures, click upload your own picture, and then upload your picture. And then you can just simply choose your picture after it's been uploaded, update picture, go back to edit page, and update settings. Now if I come down here, that picture, my picture should be right in there. And there it is. There's my picture. Now I haven't built anything else around it, so that's why you're just seeing my picture. But I just want to give you an idea. I mean, everything else is almost the same. There's your autoresponder code. Here's your headline text. Everything else is almost exactly the same. There's your meta tags, your background. The only difference is instead of putting a video, you could put your own picture. All right, that's it for this one. I'll see you at the next training video. Thanks.